Western Waters South has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cherokee County in southwestern North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in East Tennessee until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I just got done filming a tornado warning.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Benton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage.
Obviously.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Don't say that.
Locations impacted include Murphy, Ducktown, William L. Davenport Refuge, Big Frog Mountain, Hot House, Turtletown, Copper Hill, Highlands Dam, Artville, and Culberson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for southwestern North Carolina and East Tennessee.